Have you ever been in a room with two light switches? When both the switches are down, the light is off and the room is dark. But when you flip one switch, the light turns on. Now when you flip the second switch, the light turns off even though both switches are on the on position. If you flip the first switch again, the light turns back on even though the switches are backwards from the first time the light was on. And when you flip the second switch back down, the light turns off, just like how we began. If you can understand a room with two light switches, you can understand how to add and subtract negative numbers. We have two switches again. One switch is subtraction, and one switch is the negative number. When both switches are off, we're adding a positive number, and we're climbing up the number line. When you subtract, you flip one switch, and we're sliding down the number line instead. When you subtract a negative number, we flip both switches, and you're climbing up the number line, because the negative number cancels out the subtraction. And last, when you're adding a negative number, you're sliding back down the number line. Oh, and one more thing. Some of you might be asking, what happens if you put a negative number in the first position instead? It just slides over our starting position.